Alright, I got these 3 packages, in the mail. This one's from the Cubicle.us, which should contain the diansheng speedcube that I initially ordered from Alibaba over a month ago, but ended up getting this normal, standard, old-style diansheng 3x3, which I turned into one of my Nightmare Bandits cubes, and gonna try this by selling it on eBay with this mini hexagon die pyramid, which in this cubicle package there should be including stickers that are used to finish off that puzzle. Alright, so first of all, I got the stickers right here. There should be 10 of these because I'm doing full 12 sets, full 12 colors on it, and I already used 2 colors on it. Right here is the business card. Don't really care that much. And then the receipt. And then here's the most important thing that I've been waiting for. So far, first turn is that it's decent. It turns really good. Corner cut, not so great, but with tensioning and looping, it would be a bit better. Yeah, I just cannot seem to pop it. Which is a good thing when it's this tight. And yeah, this piece, another piece. Oh wow, that's interesting. Wait. This corner piece sort of has a Feng Shi style of corner cap, where the corner cap is connected on top of it. I don't know where my Feng Shi is, but you get the idea. And it sort of does have a similar Guhong-like mechanism. Yeah. First impression is okay. Not best, but with tensioning and looping, it'll be even better because running of it is really fantastic. Yeah. Now on to these other 2 boxes. This one, yeah, is a little different. I'll open this one last because it has something special on it. This one is, these 2 packages are from eBay. This one includes something that I've been hunting or well, been looking for a very long time. And I don't know why, but I just don't know how I missed out on getting this puzzle, because I normally, when I was younger, like about 10, 12 years ago, I normally went to McDonald's, Burger King a lot, and had a bunch of these Happy Meal, Kids Meal toys. And this is one of them, and I've been looking all over for this one for a while. And here it is. Yeah, there's a little discoloration there, but it's fine. From Burger King, 2004. Yeah, I don't know how I missed out on this, of getting this particular puzzle. Either one, I didn't get it, or I just didn't get the time to go over to McDonald's around the time that this was out. Yeah. And then this next one includes a puzzle that's even more unique. I've only seen it a few times, but it's just one of those puzzles that not that common, but still is kind of unique. Yeah. Interesting box, though. Interestingly wrapped box, but it's still in good condition. Yep, this is the receipt for it. And yes, here it is. Being a bit more excited. Getting more excited. You can start to see what this puzzle is. Okay. I like it now. I love it now. Oh my god. The Mind Twister. Also known as the Wisdom Ball. But it's a really interesting puzzle. So how it works is you got these faces that turn like this. Plus, you're still wondering, how do you mix it up? Well, you got this, where you got this empty hole, and you gotta slide these pieces in place. And I don't know what the real solution is, but my guess is that you're supposed to get them all on the right side, like numerical order or something like that. I'll have to look at the instructions, but from the face turning, the faces turn really awesome. Really good. While these tile sliding bits are just a bit tricky and a bit stiff to turn. Yeah. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and loop this and tension it and tell you, and then come back and tell you what it's like after I loop and tension this 3x3. Alright, now that I've looped and tensioned it, it turns a lot better. But still, corner cutting is iffy. I still need to play around with the tension, but it's a lot better. And I think it has potential after once I fully broken it in and stuff like that. So, I will have a review of this cube up within a week, so that I can get an idea of how well this turns and get it broken in and formalize my final opinion. So stay tuned for the review of this puzzle. But in the meantime, you can go ahead and buy this puzzle at thecubo.us. I would highly recommend buying from there, because that's where I bought it. And every puzzle and every product that I've ordered from thecubo.us arrived within a week or so, and that came and was what I ordered, and so, yeah.